Good morning everybody, welcome back to our Tai Chi tips. So today we are filming in Kirstenbosch under the cycad forest, beautiful area. And today our tip for the day is going to be our toes. So what happens is when people are starting out doing the Tai Chi, there's a lot of shuffling of your feet, a lot of moving around. You want to make sure that the feet are flat, they spread out underneath you, and every part of your foot is engaged with the ground. This will allow the foot to soften and spread out. So what happens is, what people sometimes do, as you're beginning, you pull the toes up. So there's this need or this action to straighten the knees and to push the toes. Either dig them into the ground or pull them up towards the body. You want to make sure that as you are moving up, okay, that the feet are spreading down underneath you. Same for when you're coming down. And then moving from side to side. Okay, so as you shift, spread the foot underneath you, and even when you're sinking back, not to pull the foot up. This creates an action, so it's a physical, muscular action all the way from the toes into your hip. You want this leg to be completely loose, no action, completely insubstantial. So when shifting, make sure that the feet and the toes are all attached and connected to the earth. Even when you're coming around, so the toes are coming, okay, you're gliding the foot over the earth, not picking it up, not creating tension in the ankle and placing it down. You want every part of the foot to be engaged, even when collecting and placing it down. Soft. Okay, so we want every single part of your foot to be evenly attached to the earth. And happy training. Thank you.